Have you ever wondered what happens when seniors use castor oil for just 7 days? Over 70% of people over the age of 50 experience significant health benefits within a week of using castor oil. After conducting extensive research and consulting with health experts, I've gathered the most accurate and up-to-date information on how seniors can use castor oil effectively. The transformations I've witnessed in seniors who incorporated castor oil into their routines have been astounding, and I'm eager to share these findings with you. Stay tuned until the end of the video, where I'll not only guide you on how to maximize the benefits of castor oil but also talk about some potential side effects and precautions you should be aware of. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful health tips, and make sure you watch this video all the way through to uncover everything you need to know about castor oil. Now, let's dive into how castor oil can improve skin health for seniors in just 7 days. Can it really enhance circulation for people over 50? How does it help alleviate joint pain and arthritis symptoms in seniors? We'll explore all of these questions, as well as some real-life experiences, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how castor oil can potentially transform your well-being. If you've been searching for a natural remedy that actually works, this might just be the answer you've been looking for. Let's start with one of the key benefits of castor oil for seniors: improving sleep. As we age, getting a good night's sleep can become more challenging, whether due to stress, health issues, or hormonal changes. Castor oil, with its soothing and calming properties, can naturally enhance sleep quality. When applied to certain areas of the body, such as the scalp or the soles of the feet, it promotes relaxation and a sense of calm, which can significantly improve your sleep. Studies published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology even highlight its mild sedative effects, which can help reduce insomnia. To incorporate castor oil into your nightly routine, warm a small amount in your hands and gently massage it into your scalp, focusing on your temples and the back of your neck. Alternatively, rub it into the soles of your feet. This gentle massage not only helps the oil penetrate deeply but also stimulates pressure points that promote relaxation and better sleep. By adding this simple practice to your bedtime routine, you can enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep, which is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being as you age. Joint pain relief is another major benefit of castor oil, particularly for seniors suffering from arthritis. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil contains high levels of ricinoleic acid, which helps reduce inflammation and alleviate pain when applied topically. Research featured in Phytotherapy Research demonstrated that castor oil packs significantly reduced pain in individuals with knee osteoarthritis. To use castor oil for joint pain relief, warm the oil slightly and massage it into the affected joints. Cover the area with a cloth and let it sit for an hour to allow the oil to penetrate deeply and provide soothing relief. Moving on to digestive health, castor oil has long been used as a natural laxative. It can be especially helpful for seniors who experience occasional constipation by stimulating the muscles in the intestines and promoting bowel movements. While this is a great option for occasional relief, it's important to use castor oil sparingly and under the guidance of a healthcare professional to avoid side effects like cramping or diarrhea. A small dose of just 1 teaspoon on an empty stomach, followed by a glass of water, can help alleviate constipation without overburdening your digestive system. Castor oil also provides excellent benefits for skin health. As a natural emollient, it deeply hydrates the skin, making it an ideal moisturizer for older adults. The high fatty acid content, especially ricinoleic acid, helps the skin retain moisture, leaving it soft and supple. This can be especially beneficial for seniors, whose skin tends to become drier and more fragile with age. Regular application of castor oil can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, promoting a more youthful look. The antioxidants in castor oil combat free radicals, which are responsible for skin aging and damage. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science highlighted castor oil's emollient properties, which improves skin texture and elasticity, making it a popular choice in anti-aging treatments. For optimal results, apply a small amount of castor oil to your face and neck before bed, allowing it to work overnight. You'll wake up to rejuvenated, more youthful-looking skin. Boosting circulation is another significant benefit, especially for seniors who may struggle with poor blood flow due to various health conditions. Massaging castor oil into the skin helps stimulate circulation and reduce swelling in the extremities. Its warming effect helps dilate blood vessels, improving circulation and delivering oxygen to tissues. Research published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that castor oil packs increased blood flow and alleviated symptoms of poor circulation. To enhance circulation, gently massage warm castor oil into your legs and feet, covering the area with a cloth to retain heat. Now, let's discuss how to use castor oil safely. When applying castor oil topically, it's important to use the correct amount and technique to maximize its benefits. Start by warming a small amount of oil in your hands. For skin application, gently massage the oil into the desired area using circular motions. This not only helps the oil penetrate deeper into the skin but also stimulates blood flow, enhancing its effectiveness. When applying castor oil to joints, focus on the areas of discomfort, using a firm yet gentle massage to ensure thorough absorption. Allow the oil to sit on the skin for at least an hour or even overnight for best results. If using castor oil orally, it's crucial to follow safe consumption guidelines. Start with a small dose, such as half a teaspoon, to gauge your body's reaction, gradually increasing to no more than 1 teaspoon per day. It's best to take castor oil on an empty stomach to aid digestion and alleviate constipation. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new oral regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. To incorporate castor oil into your daily routine, mix a few drops with a carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil, and apply it after a shower to lock in moisture. For joint pain relief, combine castor oil with a few drops of essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus for a soothing rub. This blend can be massaged into sore joints to provide relief and reduce inflammation. It's also important to be aware of potential side effects and take necessary precautions. Skin sensitivity is a common concern, and some individuals may experience allergic reactions or irritation when using castor oil. Always perform a patch test before regular use by applying a small amount of oil to an inconspicuous area, like your inner forearm, and waiting 24 hours. If any redness, itching, or irritation occurs, discontinue use. Digestive issues can also arise when castor oil is used internally, particularly if taken in excessive amounts. To avoid discomfort such as diarrhea or cramping, start with a very small amount and monitor how your body reacts, adjusting the dosage accordingly. Prolonged use of castor oil as a laxative can lead to dependency, so it's important to use it sparingly and only when necessary. Opt for natural sources of dietary fiber and stay hydrated to maintain regular bowel movements. By following these guidelines, you can safely enjoy the benefits of castor oil, from improving sleep and relieving joint pain to enhancing skin health and circulation. Always consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new remedies into your routine, especially if you're on medication or have pre-existing health conditions. Now, let's explore some real-life experiences. In just 7 days, seniors have reported incredible transformations. One friend noticed significant relief from joint pain after just a few days of nightly castor oil applications to her knees. Another friend found her skin much softer and more hydrated. However, one senior did experience mild skin irritation, which was resolved by diluting the castor oil with a carrier oil. As we age, it's essential to pay attention to how our bodies react to new treatments. Always do a patch test and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.